Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, what is that I just heard from next week's trailer coming from Umuzamseleku? Did he call uMakhumalo Isahluleke, guys, a failure just because she could not keep any of the pregnancies? Guys, I really am hoping ukuthi that trailer is just playing with us, because there is no way, guys, someone can be that insensitive. Haribo, yes, guys, I realized tonight that sometimes we forget why these women are so disrespectful towards Umuzamseleku. Phela all of them, besides uMacele Singazike, but starting with Umayeni, uMangwabe, uMakhumalo, have all had challenges with pregnancy. Umayeni struggling to fall pregnant after Umpumelelo, uMangwabe, the miscarriages, uMakhumalo, the ectopic pregnancies. And then on top of all of that, you have a man that is not even sensitive in the way he speaks about the topic Yengan. Guys, we all know at this point that Umuzamseleku is disrespectful, but you see when he speaks to uMakhumalo, guys, that level of disrespect is on another level. He doesn't even speak to uMangwabe in that type of way. And I'm just like, this man, do you speak to uMakhumalo like that because she doesn't have abantu bakho, she didn't give birth physically to any of your kids? Or what is it? Why do you belittle her in your speech so much? Do you hate this woman? Or what is it, Umuzamseleku? Because I don't get how you can speak to someone like that who has served you so well. Guys, listen, if I was uMakhumalo's mother at this point, I would have went to go and fetch my daughter. There's no way. And Umuzamseleku knows that the Khumalos are crying over him, disrespecting them, and he still continues to say this. Hi, agababoni, guys. Why is it uMakhumalo's fault that Umzumbe is falling apart? Doesn't he have uMacele? I just kind of feel like if we're going to blame any wife for Umzumbe being the way it is, Aibo umamkhulu. Phela umamkhulu can't always be enjoying the perks of being umamkhulu. She must feel the heat of also being umamkhulu. So she must take the blame for why Umzumbe is the way it is. Why must it be on uMakhumalo's shoulders? Is she carrying Okia basemzumbe? I just feel like he's indirectly saying that uMakhumalo is the one that's prohibiting him from ukungenisa uMakhwela emzumbe, and that's why he's saying ukuthi she is at fault for Umzumbe being the way Umzumbe is. Let's just be honest, guys. Yes, emzumbe, these wives were physically there, ngokumzimba, but listen, their hearts were no longer emzumbe. There was no peace emzumbe. Already nje, even when the wives were physically there, Umzumbe, his household was perishing, and it all had to do with him. So I'm afraid uMakhumalo is right by saying ukuthi Umuzamseleku only wants one person le emzumbe, which is uMakhwela. As long as it's not uMakhwela who's there, he'll forever say ukuthi akunamuntu emzumbe. Now, some fans of the show were so happy to hear Umusa say ukuthi uMakhumalo is powerful. I'm just like, guys, don't be happy over that, because he's just saying, using the word powerful. But if you listen well, he's saying ukuthi uMakhumalo is controlling, because he says uMakhumalo is powerful ngaleyo ndlela that if you see us happy, it is because she wants us to be happy. If you see us not being okay, it is because she wants us to not be okay. So he's not saying that she's powerful in a good type of way. In layman's terms, he is saying that uMakhumalo is that controlling that kushayisakhe isicathulo in that relationship. And that, guys, is the definition of a core narcissist. For someone who is so sensitive like Umuzamseleku, he cries over every small thing. He is so insensitive, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.